Have you ever wondered why so many people work hard every single day, yet still struggle to save even $1,000? The truth is, most people never learn the basics of money management. And because of that, they live paycheck to paycheck, stressed, and always one emergency away from being broke. But here's the good news. Saving your first $1,000 is not as hard as it seems. In fact, anyone can do it with the right mindset and a few simple steps. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from zero to your very first $1,000 saved. So if you've been waiting for a sign to finally take control of your money, this is it. Most people think saving money is impossible. And honestly, I get it. Imagine this. You just got paid, your wallet is full, and you feel like a millionaire for about 3 hours. Then suddenly, Netflix takes its cut, Uber Eats tempts you with that 50% off pizza, and don't even get me started on Starbucks. By the end of the week, poof, your money is gone. Here's the truth. The problem isn't how much you make, it's how you spend. Studies show that nearly 70% of Americans don't even have $1,000 in savings. That means if their car breaks down tomorrow or they need a medical bill covered, they're in serious trouble. And it's not just adults. Young people are in the same boat. Think about it. You finally save $100 and then a new skin in Roblox or Fortnite drops, and suddenly that savings account becomes gaming fund. The biggest mistake? People believe they'll start saving later. They say, I'll save when I make more money. I'll save after I pay my bills. Or the classic, I'll start next month. But here's the catch. If you don't learn to save when you have a little, you won't magically start when you have a lot. Money doesn't change your habits, it only amplifies them. So the real problem isn't your salary, it's your mindset. And if we don't fix that first, that $1,000 will always feel out of reach. All right, so now that we know the real problem isn't money itself, but our habits and mindset, let's talk about solutions. Because here's the secret. Saving your first $1,000 isn't about being rich, it's about being smart. Step 1. Track every dollar you can't save what you don't measure. Most people have no idea where their money goes. It's like pouring water into a bucket with holes. At the end of the month, you look inside and wonder, where did it all go? Simple fix. For 1 month, write down every single expense. Yes, even that $2 candy bar or that energy drink you said was just one time. Spoiler alert, it's never just one time. Use free apps like Mint or even a simple notes app on your phone. After 30 days, you'll be shocked. You'll realize you're spending $200 a month on snacks you don't even remember eating. Here's where the fun begins. Once you know where your money goes, start trimming. Don't worry. You don't have to live like a monk and eat plain rice forever. But you do need to be honest. Subscriptions. Are you really watching Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and that random streaming service you subscribe to just to watch one show? Cancel the extras. Boom. $30 a month saved. Food delivery. That $15 burger plus delivery fees, that's $20 that could have gone into your savings. Cook at home twice a week, and you'll save $100 plus a month easily. Impulse buys. Ask yourself, will I care about this in 30 days? If the answer is no, put the item back. Simple. Think about it. Cutting just $5 a day from little things equals $150 a month. Do that for 7 months and you've got your $1,000. Here's a powerful trick. Treat saving like paying a bill. Imagine you owe yourself money every month. Set up your bank account to automatically move $50, $100, or whatever you can into a savings account as soon as you get paid. That way, you never even see the money. It's gone before you can spend it. Think of it like hiding cookies from yourself before you eat the whole box. If it's not in front of you, you won't touch it. Impulse is the enemy of savings. The next time you want to buy something non-essential, wait 24 hours. 90% of the time, you'll realize you don't actually need it. Congratulations! You just saved yourself money without pain. Here's the point. Saving $1,000 isn't about being perfect. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. Imagine this. Cut $5 coffee plus $150 per month. Cancel unused subscriptions plus $30 per month cook at home twice a week, plus $100 per month side hustle, plus $100 per month. That's almost $400 saved or earned every month. In just 3 months, you'd have your $1,000. And the best part? Once you hit that milestone, you'll realize something powerful. If you can save your first $1,000, you can save $5,000, $10,000, even $100,000. Now let's go beyond the basics, because saving money isn't just about numbers, it's about psychology and building momentum. Tip 1. Reward yourself the smart way. Saving doesn't mean living like a caveman. If you hit a milestone, say your first $200 saved, reward yourself with something small. Maybe a $10 treat, a movie, or yes, even that fancy Starbucks latte. Why? Because small rewards keep you motivated. It's like a video game. You don't wait until level 100 to celebrate. You celebrate every level up. Open a separate account just for your savings. Or even better, use a clear jar at home and drop in cash whenever you can. Watching your savings physically grow is motivating. It's like watching XP bars fill up in Roblox. It makes you want to keep grinding. Here's a little secret. Your environment matters. If your friends always waste money, chances are you'll do the same. But if you follow YouTubers, podcasts, or even friends who talk about financial growth, you'll naturally level up too. Remember, your wallet is influenced by your circle. Money itself isn't exciting. But what money does for you, that's the fuel. Your first $1,000 can mean freedom from stress. It's being able to handle an emergency without panic. It's proving to yourself that you're in control. Let me give you a quick story. I once heard about a young guy who worked part-time, barely making minimum wage. He decided to try this $1,000 challenge. He cut fast food, sold some old sneakers, and picked up weekend shifts. 3 months later, bam, he had $1,000 in his savings account for the first time in his life. His words? I feel rich, not because I have a lot, but because I finally feel in control. That's the power of saving. It's not about the money, it's about the confidence it gives you. So let's wrap this up. Saving your first $1,000 isn't about luck, it's about small, consistent choices. Track your spending, cut the leaks, automate your savings, find extra cash, and remember your why. If you follow these steps, I promise, you'll look back in a few months and realize that what once felt impossible is now sitting safely in your account. And here's the truth. If you can save your first 1,000, you can save 10,000, even 100,000. The hardest part is starting. So here's my challenge for you. Take action today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for someday. Start now. And if this video inspired you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because this is just the beginning of your financial journey. And I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Remember, money doesn't control you. You control your money.